Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best off-road lights in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best off-road lights that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Hella Value Fit Design 500 LED Driving Lights Kit. The Hella Value Fit Design 500 LED Driving Lights Kit deserves a shout-out for being a well-designed and sleek-looking light kit that doesn't have the bulky look of a lot of other lights on the market. The distinctive design of these lights features a full-surface reflector and top-performing LEDs that create an even and homogeneous beam pattern. The pedestal mounting bracket lets you mount the lights virtually anywhere you want, and rotates a full 180 degrees, letting them be placed further forward than many other lights on the market. They feature a classic and understated aluminum die-cast housing that blends easily with the look of most vehicles. The multi-volt 10 to 30 VDC gives you a low power consumption of only 22.5 watts, while the cooling ribs on the back of the housing allow for efficient heat dissipation. The kit also comes with all necessary mounting equipment and hardware. The drawback is that these lights are only backed by a 1-year warranty, but that's better than nothing. Moving on at number 4, we have the LED Offroad Pod Lights. This pack of two 7-inch LED off-road lights has a red outer ring for style and is designed to fit on cars, trucks, Jeeps, ATVs, boats, and more. They have a waterproof rating of IP68 and can be submerged in 3 feet of water for up to 2 hours. The anti-corrosion lights are made with die-cast aluminum alloy and have an adjustable bracket, which makes it easy to change the light's direction. The manufacturer boasts that the lights perform well in rain, snow, and other extreme weather conditions, which is why they can be used on boats. The 5100 lumen lights are also dustproof and provide excellent illumination at extreme distances. They also dissipate heat due to the use of radial heatsink fins. One downside is the red trim may chip after a short period and expose the oxidized metal underneath. At number 3, we have the Nylite LED Light Bar. The Nylite LED Light Bar has a universal fit and comes in a variety of sizes, so you're sure to find one that fits your particular vehicle, whether it's a Jeep, pickup truck, or boat. It features both spot beams and flood beams that provide a long, broad view of the road ahead. The aluminum alloy housing was recently redesigned to work in conjunction with heat conduction silicone gel for cooler operation. The lights are waterproof up to 3 feet and a maximum of 30 minutes due to their IP67 waterproof rating. They are also 100% dustproof and feature rust-proof stainless mounting brackets, which are adjustable up to 45 degrees. They are also backed by a 2-year warranty. While the lights are quite bright, there have been some complaints that the mounting hardware is inferior. Moisture may also penetrate even though they're supposed to be waterproof. At number 2, we have the Auxbeam LED Pods 18W. If you're looking for bargain-priced off-road lights, consider the Auxbeam 4-inch LED Pods, our best value pick. Designed for Jeeps, pickup trucks, SUVs, ATVs, and more, these lights have a lifespan of approximately 50,000 hours and a 6,000 kelvins color temperature. The lights draw very little current, making them an economic option. They feature die-cast aluminum alloy cooling fins and have superior heat dissipation. Designed for off-road vehicles, the mounting brackets are included, and the system features a waterproof rating of IP67. They're also shockproof, dustproof, and corrosion-resistant, which contributes to their long lifespan. While most users love these lights, some say it can be hard to adjust the beam. Also, some customers have received lights that didn't work out of the box. And finally at number 1, we have the Hilights Daylighter Off-Road Light System. Our top pick when it comes to the best combination of performance, durability, ease of installation, and price is the Hilights Daylighter Off-Road Light System. You get well-sized 6-inch round Cree LED lights, which are perfect for seeing clearly in dusty, foggy, or low light conditions. They're suitable for a wide variety of makes and models and offer a fully customizable positioning. Put them where you need them most. Rugged housings surround and protect the polycarbonate lenses. Housings come in either a stainless steel or black finish. You can also choose between a single or 2 light system. The flexible base lets you customize a widespread beam or precision spot aiming, depending on your environment. These lights also feature KC's G6 LED optical inserts and are backed by an oddly specific, but generous 23-year warranty. The one drawback is that the light covers are a bright yellow happy face print, which definitely isn't for everyone. Not to worry, you can easily order a more neutral cover for a decent price. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure like, comment, subscribe.